Subject Customer Relationship Management Unit 3 CRM Strategy. What is CRM strategy? While working towards the creation of a customer value, this arises a need to go through a well-planned framework of CVM, that is Customer Value Management, which includes customer analysis, customer acquisition, customer retention and expansion. It also comprises customer lifetime value. Customer lifetime value is the result of cumulative net returns received over the lifetime of the customers. It states the ideal customer base and how an organization intends to get and keep it. I have never yet seen one that does this to any depth. It is a decision about which customers are to be managed, where, which channel, for which product and services. It means revisiting the marketing strategy. A CRM strategy is not an infrastructure roadmap. We need to understand what customers we have and who we want. Then we can put in place a strategy for developing the value of each segment. Next is developing the customer assets base in customer relationship strategy. तो हम जो है कस्टमर कैसे डेवलप करते हैं या क्या स्ट्रेटेजी होना चाहिए. तो फर्स्ट जो है वो है कस्टमर एनालिसिस. हमको कस्टमर को एनालाइज करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. So this focuses on assessment of the customer's segment that the company serves. It involves identification of the target customer, understanding their needs and showing how its products and services can satisfy these needs. Second strategy is customer acquisition. Customer acquisition involves methods and strategy to deal with these inquiries. It may also be said that customer acquisition management acts as a bridge between advertising and CRM. Third framework is customer retention. You know what is customer retention very well. So customer retention is well established fact that the cost of acquiring a customer is 5 times the cost of remaining an existing customer. This is the major reason why companies focus on the customer retention strategies. Not to mention the benefit of word of mouth promotion that the loyal customers bring along. And the last framework is customer expansion. Customer expansion can be practiced by selling more product or services to the existing customer, upgrading customers to higher level of services, increasing the usage of product and services by the customers, and adoption of a new product by the customer and services. So next is CRM strategies objective. What is पहले CRM strategy? CRM is an organization emphasizes on customer retention and acquisition strategies as it costs 5 times more to new customer. अब ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ CRM क्या क्या है, CRM स्ट्रेटेजी क्या क्या है. तो फर्स्ट जो ऑब्जेक्टिव है वो है CRM strategy contributes to the larger organizational business goals and objective. Second objective, employees should be well aware of corporate strategy as they will help in creating, maintaining and sustaining relationship with customer. Third objective, strategy should be developed in such a way whereby better customer services is provided. And next strategy is CRM strategy development helps to design product as per specification of the customers that can be obtained through feedback from them. And the last objective is it also aims at sustaining old customer along with attracting the new one. अब केस स्टडी देख लेते हैं हम यहाँ पे सीआरएम स्ट्रेटेजी का क्या है। जैसे कि मैंने आपको ऑब्जेक्टिव बता दिया, तो सारे केस स्टडी में आपको वही दिया गया है कि पहले स्ट्रेटेजी में आपको केस स्टडी में क्या है कि जो कस्टमर है उनको डिवाइड करना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि कौन से कस्टमर कैसे हैं, उनको कौन सा प्रोडक्ट चाहिए। फिर सेकेंड केस स्टडी में आपको क्या दिया गया है कि जो कस्टमर्स आपने डिवाइडेड किए हैं उनको समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है, उनको कौन सा प्रोडक्ट चाहिए, कौन सा सर्विस चाहिए, किस प्राइस पे चाहिए, वो सब कुछ आपको ऑब्जर्व करना ज़रूरी है। ये आपको सेकंड केस स्टडी में दिया है।